Columbus Day. So it's Monday. I have off school. Columbus Day 2019, and my dad fixed the control arms and stuff on the RZ car. Now that it's fixed, you're gonna be seeing a lot more videos with it. We're gonna be doing some pretty cool stuff. Like, we'll probably drive it off that balcony, off a ramp up there someday. We're gonna do a lot of jumping videos where you might, if we ever get another one, we might do races. And if we never get another one, we can do races with like me or Dad or Sawyer or Ral versus the RC car. So should we get to the video? Ready, set, here we go. How'd that land? So that didn't last long. We broke the subframe by scraping the wheel right on this part where this chalk is. And Dad's gonna make a new one out of aircraft aluminum. But we fixed it and we're gonna jump. Hopefully we don't break it. Well, it happened again. Gonna have to cut the video short here, guys, but hope you enjoyed anyway. Yeah, it's not supposed to wobble like, and I think the tires are running low.